No, stay there. It's not going to do a thing. That is hilarious. He's not getting near you. Come on,
It's
Mr.
a really
Bird.
sharp beak. Seriously, it's a sharp beak. It will attack me.
No, he won't. This bird is very angry with Bailey.
Oh my god. Okay.
Bailey, get off! Bailey.
Sorry. Maggie, oh my god.
Oh, he's moved, Huddy. Don't taunt him, Huddy.
Oh my god. No, he's mad at Maggie.
Why are you getting your backpack, girl?
Oh my god.
Just get it, girl.
What?
Huddy, don't do that. Now, girl, why'd you go put it over there?